Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys, pattern lock setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set and use guys pattern lock on lock screen Poco mobile. Friends, you want to set up your phone pattern lock. So guys, pattern lock a full setting guys. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see guys how to set up pattern lock on lock screen. Friends, you can see on my Poco phone device I don't have any pattern, so I want to set pattern lock. Friends, first I will on phone setting, and friends I will click on my phone with password and security setting. Friends, now you can see screen lock, face lock and fingerprint lock. Friends, click on screen lock, and friends you can see pattern, so I will select pattern. Friends, you can see got it option. Friends, tap here. Friends, draw pattern lock. So guys, I will draw this L, same pattern guys, again guys. Confirm here, and guys don't forget your pattern guys. If you forget friends, you will have to erase your old data. Friends, you can check guys, now we have this pattern lock. So guys, we will draw pattern to unlock our Poco mobile. And friends, now you want to change your pattern lock. You don't want to use this password. You don't want to use this pattern lock friends. Now you want to change. Friends, again click on phone setting, and then now we will search guys screen lock setting guys here. Friends, you can see screen lock setting. We will click here screen lock option. Friends, do your old pattern, and friends again click on pattern option. Friends, you can see again this notification, remember your password. If you forget your password, so friends you will have to erase all data on your device. So friends, new pattern guys, now we will change into Z. So I will draw here Z, again guys Z, and confirm. Friends, your phone pattern will change. You can check friends, now we have new pattern. Friends, you can see if I draw L, wrong password, Z is right. So like that we can set, and friends we can change pattern lock. Friends, last option friends, you don't want to use guys pattern lock friends, you want to remove pattern password on your lock screen. Friends, click on phone setting, password and security setting. Friends, tap here guys, click on screen lock. Friends, do your device pattern, and friends click on turn off option. Friends, tap here. Okay, friends, your pattern will remove on your lock screen. Friends, you can check. We don't have guys any pattern and password on lock screen. We can swipe to unlock our Poco phone guys easily. So like that guys, we can set up guys pattern lock and we can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.